How does React handle conditional rendering? Definition: conditional rendering in React refers to the capability of displaying different components or elements based on the certain conditions or states within the application. JavaScript expressions in JSX. React enables conditional rendering using standard JavaScript expressions within JSX. This involves incorporating if statements, ternary operators, logical operators, or other conditional constructs. Logical AND operator. The logical AND operator is commonly employed for straightforward conditional rendering. If the condition is truthy, the element following is rendered, otherwise nothing is rendered. Use of if statements. JSX itself does not allow traditional if statements, but conditional rendering can be achieved through the ternary operators or by using if statement outside JSX within the JavaScript logic. Rendering based on component state. Conditional rendering often relies on the component state. When the state changes, the component re-renders and the different parts of the UI can be shown or hidden based on the updated state. Switch statements. For more intricate conditional rendering scenarios, developers may utilize switch statements or nested ternary operators to handle different cases and render different components accordingly. Handling lists. Conditional rendering is frequently applied when mapping over arrays to dynamically render components based on certain conditions, especially when dealing with lists of items. Logical AND in lists. The logical AND operator is often used when rendering lists, allowing dynamic rendering of components based on each item's properties. Ternary operator in lists. The ternary operator is also commonly applied when mapping over arrays to conditionally render components within lists based on specific criteria. Handling absence of data. Conditional rendering is valuable in scenarios where data might be absent or not be loaded, helping prevent rendering's error due to undefined or null values. Functional components. In functional components, conditional rendering is achieved using JavaScript expressions and hooks like useState. The rendering logic is expressed within the component's return statement. Overall purpose. The primary purpose of conditional rendering in React is to create dynamic and responsive user interface that adapt to changing conditions, user interaction, or data ability. Thank you. To sign up for the React Moon Stack training, please contact 98759 or email info@devexhub.com. Thanks again.